Hello and welcome back to In the Kitchen with Matt. I am your host, Matt Taylor. Today, I'm going to show you how to make chocolate balloon bowls. Oh yeah, I love chocolate bowls and pretty much anything chocolate. If you've been following my show, you know that I love chocolate. And these balloon bowls are fantastic. I made a video on these quite a while ago, probably 4 or 5 years ago, and decided to update the video. Using simple ingredients, they are amazing. Great for a party, quite an elegant looking dessert. Or maybe you want to do them like with a family night with your kids or grandkids, a great activity to do with them. Or maybe you want to make something special for Valentine's Day. Oh yeah. Super easy to do. If I can do it, you can do it. Let's get started. All right, so what we have here is we have some water balloons. You want to make sure to use water balloons. If you use different kind of balloons, they'll probably pop when you dip them in the chocolate. Water balloons are thicker, so make sure you use water balloons. I have 12 ounces of chocolate here. This is semi-sweet chocolate chips, about 340 grams, but you could use whatever kind of chocolate that you want. I have about a tablespoon of oil. You could use vegetable oil, whatever kind of oil you want to use. This is going to help thin out our chocolate and make it easier to dip. And then I just have a spoon here, parchment paper, and a little sheet pan. We're going to start by melting our chocolate. I'm going to do this in the microwave, burst of 30 seconds, and then stir, 30 seconds, stir, and then that will, until it's nice and melted. Make sure you don't leave it in there too long because it could seize up on you. So just watch it. Or you could use the double boiler method if you want. Let's go ahead and add in our oil to our chocolate. And now let's go ahead and melt this. All right, once our chocolate is melted, what we want to do is we want to just create a little base. So I'm going to come over here and make a nice little round base. Great. Now you want to make sure that your chocolate is not too hot, because if it is, it will probably pop your balloon and then chocolate will fly all over you. All right, so then we go ahead and just take one of our balloons and we're gonna go stick it right inside our chocolate and just go straight down with it and then come up, and then we'll put it right on there like that. So there we go, we got our bowls ready to go. Let's just go ahead and put these in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes so the chocolate can firm up. All right, now we have the fun part after we take them out of the fridge, is you take a knife and you go ahead and poke it. Yeah. And then you're gonna come in here and you're gonna take out the extra balloon. There you go, do that with the rest of them. And you can just leave them on this tray if you want. I'm gonna go ahead and transfer them over to this plate. And now we wanna fill it up with whatever you wanna do. You could do like M&Ms, like a bowl of M&Ms, or other kind of different chocolates. I'm gonna do ice cream. You could do whipped cream and put in berries. But yes, let's do some ice cream. I'm gonna take some strawberry sauce, some nuts. All right, our chocolate balloon bowls are done. Turned out fantastic, really, really cool looking, really simple to do. If I can do it, you can do it. I'm Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining me. As always, if you have any questions, comments, or requests, put them down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thumbs up, down the corner, push it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, check out my other videos, click that notification bell so you'll be aware anytime I post a new video. Take care, everyone. Time for me to dive into one of these. Oh, yeah. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm.